In this video, I'm going to show you how to create YouTube Shorts in Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up the Canva website, and in this search box, you need to type in YouTube Shorts. Now, you can also search for TikTok or Instagram Shorts as well, as essentially it uses the same dimensions, but for this video, we're just going to click on YouTube Shorts. Now, what you can decide to do here is actually pick from one of these Canva templates, and effectively what these will do is allow you to change things such as the elements and the videos in the background to create your shorts nice and easily. Now there's a bunch of different free and paid ones that we can use, but for this video I'm actually going to show you how to create your own YouTube short. So we're just going to click on create blank, and as you can see this has now created a blank template with the dimensions for our YouTube short. So I'm just going to zoom in slightly here so we can see this a little bit better, and then in this left hand navigation is essentially all of the tools that you need to go and create your YouTube shorts. So in the left hand side we have design, and this is where you can pick all of your pre-built templates. You also have elements as well, and this is where we can upload graphics and shapes and things like that. You can select text, and from here we can add text to our YouTube shorts. You also have brand as well. Now this is a pro feature, I'm just going to leave this one. Then you can click on uploads, and from here we can upload our own media footage like videos and pictures and things like that, and I'm about to show you that in a second. You can also click on draw as well, and this is where we can use some freehand drawing tools. And the last thing is this apps one, and from here you can search for different apps. You can do things like convert your images into AI and that kind of thing. But the first thing we're going to do is just click on uploads from the left hand side, and we're going to upload some video footage to our YouTube short. Now the website I like to use to go and get free video footage that's copyright free is this website here, which is pixabay.com/videos. And then what you can do is just search for the video that you want to use in your YouTube short. So I'm just going to search for sunset, for example, and I'm going to take this video here at the top and then just go and press download. And you can basically just download as many videos as you want here, and you're able to use these in your YouTube shorts. So I'm going to download this one as well, just so we have a couple of videos, and then come back over to Canva and select upload files. And then from here, we can just upload our video clips into this Canva document. Now, once you've uploaded these videos and they finished uploading, we can simply drag them into the timeline like this. And now because this is a horizontal video, you'll see we have loads of white space around the video. So what we need to do is just simply resize this so it fits the full width of this page, because we want to get rid of this white space as we don't want this on our YouTube short. So make sure this covers the full width of the page, and I'm just going to zoom out here slightly as well so we can see this, and then we can reposition this on the screen as well. Now obviously some of the edges of this video will be cut out, but that's what's required in order to make this YouTube short format. Now you can see as well at the bottom down here, this is currently 15 seconds in length. So if you want to resize this video, you can do so just by dragging the edges like so. So I'm going to trim this down to around about 4.5 seconds. And now if I play this video back, you can see we have this 4-second sunset. Now the next thing you might want to do for your short is add some text. So I'm just going to click on the text column in the left navigation and then drag one of these heading texts over to the Canva document. Now I'm just going to type in some random text here like the best sunset in the world. And once again, you can reposition this text on the screen. You can also change the font as well. So I'm going to use this Anton font over here. And I'm also going to change the text color. Then I'm going to click on effects, and I'm just going to give it a background like this. You can also create animations for your text. So if you want to fade in the text or create some kind of animation to bring the text into the screen, you can click on the animate button in the top navigation. And from here, we have a bunch of different animations you can use. So for example, you might want to use something like fade. That's the one that I'm going to select. And once we have our text, we're going to click back on uploads, and I'm just going to drag this second video clip now into the timeline. Now, once again, I'm going to trim this video. One thing to note is that on YouTube, you can only have videos a maximum of 60 seconds in length. Anything over 60 seconds is not going to be considered a short. So just make sure your overall video is no longer than 1 minute. And now we have this second video clip in here, we might want to create a transition from this first video to the second video. Now to create a transition, you need to hover your mouse cursor in between these two video clips, and you can see this small icon here called add transition. So go and click on that, and then we can create a transition like this between the two video clips. And you can also adjust the duration of the transition as well. So I'm going to leave it like this, and if I just play this back quickly, you can see now we have this cool transition. Now the last thing you might want to include in your YouTube short is audio. Now once again, you can upload your own audio tracks in Canva, and I'm just going to use this Pixabay website as well. So if I come back over to the home page, and this time you can either click music or sound effects, and I'm just going to search for a soundtrack called Relax. And as you can see, there's loads of royalty-free songs that we can use in our YouTube YouTube short. So I'm just going to download any of these and then click on upload files in Canva and upload this audio file. So I'm just going to drag this audio file into the video track like this, and make sure it's aligned with your video just by dragging it right over to the edge. And once again, you can also trim this down if you wanted, and you can also fade in and out the audio as well by clicking on this fade option, and you can adjust the slider to fade this audio both in and out. And then once you've finished your YouTube short, just click on share in the top right hand side. Make sure you have MP4 video selected, which is ideal for YouTube shorts, and then we can just go and press download. And then what you can do is upload that MP4 file directly to YouTube, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.